Hashimoto-san and my friends at Kawasaki, congratulations on the opening of the Kawasaki Physical AI Center in San Jose. You are one of the world's great robotics and industrial companies. For more than a century, you have built machines that help people do important work in factories, hospitals, transportation, and demanding environments. We are making huge leaps in AI. Soon, we will achieve artificial general robotics. Everything that moves will be robotic. Machines will understand the physical world, move and work safely around people. This is physical AI, the next frontier of AI. To realize this future, mechatronics, computing, and AI must advance in harmony. That is why the center is so important. It brings your robotics expertise to Silicon Valley, close to NVIDIA, so our teams can work more closely and move faster. Together, Kawasaki and NVIDIA are building the foundation for a new generation of intelligent machines. You will use NVIDIA systems for AI training and simulation. With NVIDIA Omniverse and Isaac Lab, Kawasaki can connect simulation to reality, testing robots in virtual worlds before bringing them into the physical world. And NVIDIA Jetson will be the computer to run the AI in your robotic systems. The technologies created in this lab will reach across Kawasaki's entire product lineup: medical robots, service robots, humanoid robots, and mobility systems. From Hinatori, expanding access to advanced surgical care, to Corleo, an incredible vision for the future of personal mobility. Hashimoto-san, congratulations to you and the entire Kawasaki team. We are proud to be your partner and excited for what we will build together.